Hello friends, welcome to my channel Life and Lifestyle. Today we will see how we can make banana shake. So let us see the ingredients first. We will need 1 banana, 1 glass of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, some dry fruits and few ice cubes. So first we will slice the banana and add it to the grinder jar. Along with it we will add the sugar and few ice cubes. We will also add little amount of milk so that the banana blends easily. Now we will check if the banana has blended nicely. So you can see it is all okay. So now we will add remaining amount of milk and again we will blend all the ingredients together. We will check if any lump is remaining. So since no lumps are there, we will take out and transfer it to a glass. Now we will add some dry fruits to the shake. So finally our banana shake is ready to serve. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and also comment in the comment box. Bye.